Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm preparing corn chip candy bar. Corn chip candy bar requires very few ingredients. It's crunchy, it's chewy, it's sweet, it's salty, it's delicious, it's fun to make, but most of all, it's easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now, the first thing I have is 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, I have some corn chips, 1/2 cup of coconut, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of sugar. Now the first thing I'm going to do is take my casserole dish and I'm going to spray it with some no stick. Then I'm going to spread some chips out on the bottom of the casserole dish and I'll sprinkle some chocolate chips on top of that. Then I'll do a second layer of chips and chocolate chips. Now I have a pot. I'm going to add a cup of sugar to it. Then I'll add a cup of corn syrup. I'm going to bring that to a boil and boil it for 1 minute. Then I'll take it off the stove and I'll add 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to blend that in completely. And then I'll add 1/2 cup of coconut and I'll blend that as well. Once it's all mixed together, I'm going to pour it over top my chips. Then I'll sprinkle on some coconut. Now I have some chocolate chips left over, so I'm going to melt those down into a pot. Then I'm going to drizzle that over top the whole entire thing. Then I'll put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So now it's in the fridge. So now we wait. Okay, so the corn chip candy bar is in the fridge for 2 hours. I think it should be ready by now. So I have a knife and I'm going to cut a slice. So here we go. Okay. Wow, it looks really good. Wow. That is good. It's crunchy and chewy, salty and sweet. You know, that reminds me of a candy bar we have in Canada called Wonder Bar. That's what it tastes like. Texture similar, it tastes just like it. That's really delicious. I'm surprised. Really good. Well, there it is, my friends. Corn chip candy bar. Made easy. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made corn chip candy bar, I used coconut. Now, that was just an option, but anyone who's followed my channel knows that I don't just love coconut, I'm a coconut junkie. I also use chocolate chips, but you can use peanut butter chips or butterscotch chips. There's lots of different kinds. Why not use some marshmallows for something different? And I use smooth peanut butter, but why not use chunky? I also use white sugar, but I think you could probably use brown sugar. You know, a lot of people have made this recipe using different types of chips, including cornflakes. You know, cooking can be difficult, but doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, my friends, keep on cooking and bon appetit.
「こんなに甘い